Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard easily at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 4 large egg yolks. Don't forget 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready and at room temperature will make the process much smoother and ensure a perfectly creamy result. Let's get started with combining these simple items. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch until the mixture is smooth and light in color. Meanwhile, gently heat the milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Watch carefully for small bubbles forming around the edges, indicating it's just about to simmer. It's crucial not to let the milk boil, as this can affect the final texture of your custard. This step sets the stage for a smooth, lump-free base. Next, we'll temper the eggs to prevent them from scrambling. Slowly pour about 1/3 of the hot milk into your egg mixture, whisking continuously. This gradually raises the temperature of the eggs. Then, pour this tempered egg mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the custard thickens. It should coat the back of a spoon and reach approximately 175 degrees Fahrenheit for that perfect consistency. Once your custard has reached the desired thickness, remove it from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. For an extra smooth texture, pour the hot custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the custard. Allow it to cool completely in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is essential for the custard to set properly, making it ready to enjoy on its own or with your favorite desserts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.